In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate with image guidance in Leonardo AI using an image reference. First, open your browser and head to the Leonardo AI website, then log in with your account so you can access the creation tools. Once you're in, decide what you want to make. If your goal is a still picture, switch to the Image tab. If you want motion, choose the Video tab. Picking the right workspace up front helps the tool prepare the correct settings behind the scenes. Next, look for the prompt text box where you'll write your description. Right beside it, you'll see a button labeled Image Guidance. Click that to open the guidance options. In this panel, select Image Reference. This tells Leonardo AI that you want your generation to follow the look and feel of a specific picture, which is especially useful for matching style, composition, or character identity. Now upload the image you want to use as a reference. You can select a file from your computer, or if available to you, choose one from the community feed. Use a clear, well-lit reference that represents the style or subject you want. For example, if you want a cinematic portrait, a sharp, well-composed portrait works best. Avoid low resolution or heavily compressed images, as they can dilute the guidance. With your reference in place, write your prompt in the text box. Be specific about the subject, style, and mood you're after. Mention important visual cues like lighting, camera angle, color palette, and any defining details that matter to you. The reference image guides the visual direction, while the prompt clarifies what to prioritize, so the two should reinforce each other. If you're aiming for consistency with a character or object from the reference, include a brief description of those traits in your prompt. Before generating, take a quick moment to make sure your chosen mode, image or video, matches your goal and that your prompt aligns with the reference. This prevents surprises in the output and reduces the need for revisions. When you're ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your request by blending your prompt with the visual cues from the reference image. Give it a moment to work. When the result appears, review how closely it follows both your description and the reference. If you plan to make more variations later, keep the same reference and prompt style so your results remain consistent across versions. That's it. You've successfully used image guidance with an image reference on Leonardo AI to create your image or video.